Hey everyone, it's William from Motorola. Great to be here with something really exciting. Today we're unboxing and checking out the brand new Moto G17. This is our latest creator-centric smartphone in the Moto G family, combining powerful imaging, smart performance and powerful long-lasting battery life, all at an accessible price point. So let's jump right in. Right up front, I love the clean, minimal packaging you can expect from Motorola. Crisp, no nonsense, ready to get you into the experience. Inside, you'll find the Moto G17 smartphone itself, a USB-C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, quick start guides and documentations. And here it is, the Moto G17. First impressions? It feels premium, lightweight, but solid in hand. Sleek leather-inspired design with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, looks great and resists daily wear. Big 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with high brightness, perfect for streaming, photos and everyday use. IP64 water repellent design, so you don't have to worry about accidental splashes. Now for one of the biggest upgrades on the Moto G17, the camera. A 50-megapixel Sony Litia 600 main sensor with an ultra-wide lens captures impressive details in all lighting conditions. On the front is a 32-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for high-quality selfies or video calls. Under the hood, you've got a robust MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme processor, paired with ample RAM and storage, plus RAM boost helps keep things running smoothly. 5,200 mAh battery for all-day usage, turbo power charging at 18 watts to get you back up quickly. Expandable storage via microSD up to 1 terabyte. To wrap up, the Moto G17 is a fantastic choice if you're after a stylish, capable smartphone that delivers camera performance, everyday power, and a great user experience, all without breaking the bank. Stay tuned, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let us know what features you want to see in the comments. Thank you for watching.
Hello, Moto.